we're going to create a Mercurial repository and try to commit the first file. In the software carpentry directory, I am going to create a directory which will be under the revision control, where our repository will be. Now I created the directory. Now I have to tell Mercurial that this repository will be under the revision control. So I enter the directory, and now I need to use the command hginit to initiate the directory, to tell the Mercurial that this directory is going to be under revision control. So there might be files here that I want to add to the remote repository, and that this is basically the area where Mercurial should keep an eye on. Okay. Now what we will have to do, we will have to configure Mercurial and add some information about us, so that Mercurial knows who is adding the information. Without it, Mercurial is not going to work. We won't be able to commit any files or update files and so on. I previously configured my Mercurial here, so that's, I'm not going to get an error, but if I wrote right now hg commit, if I had any files here, I would get a message, an error message right now, because it's configured on my computer already. I'm getting that. But if you don't have the configuration file, then you will probably get the error message. We need to create a file which is called .hdrc, but the important thing is that this file should be in the home directory. So actually, depending on whether you're on Linux or on Windows, that should be usually on Linux or on Unix systems, it will be under home and / your name. So I need to change to my home directory. This is my home directory, which is actually visible also below. And now, using the gedit editor, I'm gonna create the configuration file, create an edit. Should bring up. Okay. Now, in order to, what we need to add is we need to add 3 lines. Our username, so that's my username, followed by the email address. Okay, well actually that's 2 lines, sorry. And we need to save that, and we can close gedit the file and then gedit. And now we will be able to use our repository, add files and commit them.